Okay, subscribers around the globe. Now in this video, many of us don't know how to harvest the plantain suckers, which I want to be sharing with us in this particular video. So we are going to be harvesting them and then moving them to the side which I told us we were going to use it for the plantain farming. Don't play. So this is a plantain sucker. I would have brought that camera closer, but I think you can see from that place. This is a plantain sucker, and there is always a way to harvest it. If you don't harvest it properly, it may never stick. So that is the essence why we're making this video right now. So let's go. I'm going to be teaching you how you can do it correctly. All right. Okay. So here is your shovel. Normally this is not a sucker harvester. All of us know what is a sucker harvester now. So this is not a sucker harvester. So you look closely. This is how you do it, like this. You understand? Now what you're doing here is you are trying to cut off the root which have already linked to these other places. Then you now come here. You have to be very careful. You see that? Are you seeing it? Carefully. Now, boom, we got it. Have you seen it? So this is exactly how you need to harvest your plantain suckers. So hope you've learned something in this video. What you have to do for me is give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and also comment and share. So let's move on to the next one, guys. Let's go.